वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम। और कुछ नया सीखें। What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? It's a clock. What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. How many biscuits can you eat on an empty stomach? You can eat just one biscuit because after eating one biscuit your stomach is no more empty. Which two odd numbers when multiplied together give 9 as the answer? 1 and 9 are odd numbers. When multiplied, it gives 9. Two mothers and two daughters went to a cinema. Only 3 seats were available, but they all sat down comfortably. How was that possible? Grandmother and her daughter and her daughter. Total 3 women. So granny, mother and granddaughter. 2 are mothers, that is granny, mother of granddaughter. 2 are daughters, that is mother and her daughter. It is in draw but not in stone. It is in the marrow but not in the bone. It is in the bolster but not in the bed. It is not in the living, not yet in the dead. It is letter R.